Can you do that?
Okay.
Can you do that for me? Hello. In today's
Thanks.
video, we are playing
Bye.
Scary Baboon. Would you like to be in a video? Okay, well, follow me. Today, I'm just gonna be chasing around some monsters with my Glocky. Here we go.
Hi everybody.
Okay.
I'm almost there.
I'm about to destroy these monsters, bro. They ain't gonna survive. So this is my second video VR, and this is Scary Baboon, so Gorilla Tag. Probably 2 games I'm playing the most.
I play Game Boy. Because I know
Stop yapping!
coming. Because
Let's go.
wanted the map, It's coming.
Oh lordy lord.
Yep, the model coming. Yeah, the model coming. I mean, yeah, but it'll be in Montana. I think.
Ah! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Open the so really you don't have
Oh god,
to
oh no, no, no. Oh god, run!
No.
Give me like a what? Get out!
Oh my god! Bro, don't do that.
Haha.
Let me
They couldn't even start chance, bro. I'm too good. Oh god. Please don't outside. Hey guys. Here. I'm just too good for them.
What the
Oh my god, I just died.
I died actually.
That's so annoying.
Elliot, content and chat.
Ah!
No. Anger attack.
Sorry you can't see anything. It's kind of hard. I'm just kind of elevator.
What the heck? Bro, you're freaking
Guys, we have to do this. We have to remember that we gotta be careful.
We don't joke
I'm really so dumb.
That's scary. Nah, bro, call it 911 on his kid. I played this game before. I played this game before. Focus. Go 1 by 2.
Just climb up the elevator.
Let's go by 1 by 2.
Oh my god, I can't. Oh my god. Get in, guys. Get in, bro. Something we gotta do. Gotta make those bills. Gotta make that money.
Are you serious, bro?
Bro.
If anybody presses it, then I've got bandits. Stop! Do it! Ban them!
I don't know what they're yapping about. Meow.
Ban us right now.
Ah!
I've played this game before!
What's not? I've played Skip Me Toilet before. I've not played these games before. I have not played these games before, guys. I have not. Can someone teach me how to play these games before? Now wait. I wanna be the very best. The best. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh god. The very best. The best there ever was.
Oh, that was horrifying.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Run. Gonna be the very best. Oh god. Okay, let me in, bro.
I'm breaking the ball.
Let me in. Oh my god. Good. Please, bro, let me in. Let me in, bro. Let me in, please.
I like fucking minors.
Oh my god.
What did you just say?
Hey guys, can you pass?
Bro, purple.
Stop. You give the sample ball. I put it in my sequence. Report you. Everybody report purple. Report purple. Hey. Okay, purple. Everybody move. Purple.
Bro.
Purple, stop, bro. Purple. Okay, you know if you don't stop, I'm gonna tell J-Man to tell join me.
Okay, bro.
Oh my god.
Hi.
Join my big mouth.
Really?
Dude, I'm so annoying. They're silly.
What's up?
Mustard. Guess what, bro? Chicken butt.
Come on. Please, come on.
Bro.
Okay, how's it gonna go now?
Let's go. Line up. Here we go. We'll just make it to camera room. I forgot to tell you that to start.
Do you hear me? Yeah.
Make it to camera room. They're frozen, guys. Go. They're frozen.
I'm literally a guy. They're frozen.
They're frozen, guys. They're frozen.
Come on. I've been waiting for this one.
They're frozen. You can go, bro.
I heard him.
Never happened.
Run fast in case they move. Run. In case
Let's go,
they,
guys. Let's
get
go.
in trouble. Wow.
Is he moving?
Hear the cameras, so we can like communicate with other people in different rooms.
We're alive. We made it to camera rooms.
Look,
Oh no.
People. Oh shit! Watch
He's
out! Watch out!
in form. Ha ha. Keep going
right there. Well, keep surviving. How?
Where is he, bro?
Guys.
You know what? I'm about to juke him, bro. I'm about to make sushi. Make me swear. My breath, leave me water. Living life like there's no tomorrow. Sorry, I look got the singing session. So where's the monster?
No, it's
Come on. Oh my god, bro. That guy just died. I know he's... Guess what, Larry? Balls. There's literally a ball. That was crazy, bro. No way, bro.
How is it just us two surviving?
Wait, we got no wait. Bro.
We're caving in.
I'm gonna juke him. I'm gonna juke him. Easiest juke ever. I'm too good, bro. We're too good, bro.
Oh my god, no class. What am I getting?
Hey, bro, Larry. I just want to say I love you. Oh,
Get the basic, bro. Get the basic.
bro's too easy, bro. Bro's like level 1.
Classic here, bro. Like that is too easy. That's
Larry.
goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh!
Bro, Larry! Larry!
Alright.
I got a Glocky!
You got so lucky, Johnny.
I'm gonna
Hi!
suck.
Don't
Wait, go out!
near me. Oh, thank you. They're frozen.
Oh, God.
Alien. They're frozen. And you ain't taking these parents.
What? Bro,
Yeah, me too, man.
I can't see you!
Me too. Check it out.
Oh,
We're
my Lord.
basically the same.
Bruh. Seriously, bro. Okay, let's try this one more time. After that, I think I'm gonna end the video.
The power of the ball.
Bruh. Let's go the other way.
The ball speak to me.
I'm just gonna wall climb up here. No, bro. Bro. That's the elevator, honestly. I don't really use it, but, you know, it's nice. Pretty convenient. 100 years later. But I end the video. Right now. Because it's getting pretty late. Hey.
I gotta go fast.
Oh, God. No. God.
Gotta go fast. Oh,
It's not in here.
Go.
So I'm ending
We're
it.
getting jacket made. My auntie flopped down.
Let's go to the mirror before I die. That was pretty good. Well, bye. Oh, sorry. Wrong way.